As a mother, how should one build a great reputation with their children?
Reputation is the currency that we have with other people. So if you want to have currency with your child, if you want to be able to have any place in their life, you need to build your reputation with your child. Now, as a mother, it's very easy to fulfill your duties to the child because you're supported by a hormone called oxytocin. By duties of the child, I mean just looking after the kid and making sure that they don't burn the house down. You can do that if you have the proper hormonal balance. If you're struggling with that itself, then already you have a reputation with the child that you're not somebody who they will come to for advice because you yourself are overwhelmed and dying. So if you want to fix that, start learning yoga and fix that right away. But there's one more thing that people don't often talk about, which is that a child understands the place of women in society by how his mother is treated and how his mother responds. So if you keep observing that, a lot of women have complaints that their husbands are crossing the boundaries and there's an inequality in the relationship and there's all sorts of complaints. So when the child sees you like that, it starts to think that the status of a woman is lower than a man. That's what I honestly thought when I was growing up as a child. I thought the status of women was lower than men because my mom used to do seva of my dad all the time, serving my dad all the time. So don't let your child get this wrong conclusion that women are of lower status than men. The status of men and women should be equal and everyone should be able to protect their boundaries. If you're struggling with that, please learn yoga. You will do yourself a favor and the world a favor.